So it's taken me a minute to figure out that all these beautiful plants, everything's growing so well, why this back part isn't. And I just figured out, please hold, that when my guy was putting up the fence, I asked him to put the clay, the dirt, coming off those posts, and he also dumped some of the leftover sand of the concrete. So it's been raining like crazy, and the dirt isn't even wet. Nothing is grown. One lone canna lily, and nothing has been growing at all. So get to work on that for a while. Cheers.